Hello my YouTube friend, it's Saturday, it's a super busy day, so I can't really show too much of the shop, but we're going to try to get a little bit of work done. I kind of had an emotionally bad day yesterday, so I didn't film and I feel really bad because I really wanted to just keep pushing, doing videos every day. But I was just randomly looking at this letter that Brandon showed me, and it says that's all folks, and it just reminded me how much I appreciate you guys, I love you guys, and Brandon, thank you for the letter, that really picked me up yesterday. Alright, so let's get to work. Okay, I got this giant collection of boxes that Elizabeth sent me. I think it's 17 boxes. I didn't realize she was sending so many boxes. So that's tomorrow's video. I'm going to start going through that. I also have another collection that's going to be dropped off tomorrow, and it looks like a really awesome collection. I think it's like a $5,000 collection, 160 or so pops. So that's what, like a $40-something average. Really awesome collection. I cannot wait to dig through it. So that'll be the next couple days. For today, we're just going to try to clean up the store and get things put away proper. I got 2 packages of protectors that came in from Amazon. I buy these in a pinch. They're not as good as the $7 a pop ones, and they're about 10 cents more per protector. But with Amazon Prime, I get these in a day. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to try to get all the pops that need protectors protected. I also have one box I have to put together. And then I'm going to clean up all the piles. Step 1, I think I'm going to remove those boxes and those boxes. I just got to put them away. They're all over the place. All right, I found one of my investment boxes here. Every single pop in here I bought, they were selling for under $10 at the time. I just thought they were too undervalued at that price. So we have a whole bunch of Kamala Khans. We have a few red She-Hulks. I think this She-Hulk will end up being the most valuable one because she's in her lawyer suit. That one is awesome. I think that one just damaged. I had to fix it. And one female Thor, which for the longest time these just did not sell. One of my advices is if you run a business, sometimes you have to hold on to stuff like this because it's, you know, I could have sold them all right away. It made like $4, but I held on to those. All right, back to sorting. Man, the weather is gorgeous today. It's really busy in the store, so I'm gonna go take our break with the cool kid. We're gonna hang out for a while and have some fun, and I'm gonna come back when it slows down a little bit. Really beautiful outside and the store's super busy, and so I figured I'll spend the time. I'll go wash the windows. I haven't washed them since the fall, so I figured it would be a perfect time to do that. All right, let's wash the windows. Windows are nice and shiny now, but you can still kind of see a haze of dust from the interior windows. Like I said a couple of videos ago, I need to make new stands in here. They're easier to pull out so I can wash the interior, but way better. I'm so happy those are clean now. All right, still busy in the shop, so I really can't film in there. And but it's been a really good day. We sold a ton of stuff. It's funny, we had one guy buy one expensive pop, and then he came back later to get a different expensive pop, but that other one that had sold. But the guy who bought that other one came in to get the other expensive pop the other guy bought. So it's kind of funny. People keep coming back, seeing things that they want, and they think about it, and then they come back the next day or a few hours later. I end up keeping 2 pops for myself. I was thinking about it all night. I was like, I just have to do it. It's really bad. If I can, if the store clears out a little bit, I'll give you an update of what I got done today. Not too much, I got a little bit done. It's just been really, really busy today in the shop. So I did remove the boxes that were in the front here, and most of these here. I have a few more I have to sort through. I have a bunch of protectors I made to put all the put all these pops into protectors. I just didn't get around to that. It's been crazy today. I got another mystery package today from Steven. It comes all the way from Germany. I'm really excited to get into this. I think it's comic books. I'm going to open it up on my comic channel, Pop Comics. All right, it's been a pretty successful day. We sold a whole ton of pops. As you can see, all the boxes have been ruffled through. It was actually, I kind of liked having the stuff that just came in the boxes, just so it's easier for people to see what's the newer stuff. I think after tomorrow, there should be another bunch of sales. I'm going to just try to put everything on the wall so that everything that comes in the next few days, I can just put on the floor. So whoever comes in this week will know what's new or what we just put into the shop. All right, so Brandon sent me this card. He was sending me 20 bucks for a Funko soda that he's buying for me. Absolutely love the illustration. He always draws me really wonderful stuff. Let's get this out. So I had my wife check the card, assuming there was a drawing, and she said there was. Okay, I'm gonna look at the card. You're gonna get my reaction first, then I'll show you the card. Oh, oh, that's really nice. Okay, I love that. All right, I'll show you guys. That's awesome. Okay, so he said, Sean, sorry for the holiday card left. Here's the money for the Donatello. Thanks again. So I guess it was a Halloween card, but that's okay. He made this adorable drawing. It's Ziggy doing a checkout counter, I guess selling some PopFuzz comic books with a PopFuzz poster, and it just says PopFuzz. That is amazing. Thank you, Brandon. He's Kentucky Mud on Instagram if you want to follow him, but I love that. He always sends me the most amazing drawings. Wow, that was cool. Thank you. That's all, folks.